So finally, you have to click on this video. It means you want to get started with your game development journey. In the last video, we have discussed which softwares are used to make games, so we have chosen Unity to make games. So in this video, we will be learning how we can install Unity in our computer. So this video will be step by step, so don't skip this video. If you will skip video, you will maybe face any kind of problem. So after that, we will be learning how we can create our first project. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to come on Google and search for Unity Hub and then click on first website. Here you have to download this for Windows. If you have other platform like macOS, then you can download for macOS. Then it will start downloading and you have to wait a little bit. So meanwhile, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos. So it is downloaded and let's open it up and you have to click on agree and then you have to click on install. So as I already have installed, I will not install it. So when you will install the Unity, you will see icon over here like Unity Hub. You will not see this kind of icon here. You will just see the Unity Hub. Alright, so you have to open it up and when you will open it, I will see this kind of window, but in your case you will see different kind of window. So you have to skip installation and here you have to sign in. Alright, when you will click on sign in, you have to put your email. Here you have to put your username, your password according to these requirements. Alright, here you have to click I'm not robot and you have to check these both agreements. So here you have to click on create ID. So you will get an email and it is easy to verify your email by OTP, and here you have to put your email and password. Then you will see the Open Unity Hub option. So here in your case you will not see any kind of project over here. So before creating a project you have to activate your license. Alright, so in your case you will not see Unity editors over here. So you have to install the Unity editor. So click over here and then you have to choose any kind of variant which you want. So I'm going to choose Unity 2021. If you want to install the latest variant, then you can just go ahead and install that. But I'm not gonna install the latest variant right now. I'm just gonna install 2021. Here you have to select Microsoft Visual Studio where you will write all the codes. And as you know, we are gonna make a game for mobile phone. So I will also select the Android build support over here. Alright. So if you want to make the game for iPhone, then you can also select the iOS build support over here. Alright. I'm not going to select this right now, and let's scroll down and you can also select the documentation if you want, and I will also recommend to you to download this documentation, but I'm not going to download this right now. And you have to click on continue and then click on continue. So you have to check over here and then click on install. Alright, so when you will click on install, it will start downloading. So in my case I already have downloaded. After installation you will see this kind of window over here. You can select any kind of theme what you want. So I always recommend to you to select the dark one and then click on start Visual Studio. So now it is the time to activate your license. So you have to click on preferences on the setting, and then you will come into preferences. Then you have to select the license. In my case I already have activated my license. You just have to click on personal license and activate it. So in your case you will not see any kind of project over here. You have to create a new project. Alright, so this one will be your first project, so it may take some time. So here you can see all kind of templates which are already exist in Unity, and you can select the template according to the genre of your game. Like if you want to create 2D game, then you have to select 2D, and if you are creating a 3D game, then you have to select 3D. So in my case I'm going to make a 3D game. So here you have to write the name of your game. For example, I want to make the horror game, so I will write the horror game. Alright, so here in bottom you can select the location where you want to create your project. Alright, so just click on create project. So it will start creating and it may take some time, so you have to wait for it. So alright, the project has been created, and in my next video I will teach you how you can get started with your Unity.